Namaste. Good morning to all of you. This is Dr. R. Ebenezer, Senior Consultant and Head Critical Care Services at Apollo Specialty Hospitals, Vanagaram, one of the premier centers in fighting the COVID pandemic in South India. As I am talking to you, in all probability, we are witnessing the second COVID wave. Many are asking me, why is it happening? Why did we allow it to happen? History teaches us a lot of lessons. If you look at the Spanish flu pandemic of 1919, there are two significant waves. Even in the recent COVID pandemic in the United Kingdom, the UK was witness to a second major wave. So it was just a matter of time before India faced the second wave. But the most important thing is, the silver lining is, the government of India and the healthcare workers are now much more prepared, well equipped to handle the second wave than ever before. We have our strategies in place, we have a better understanding of the disease, we know how it spreads, and our treatment protocols are fine-tuned. The central government of India has rolled out one of the most ambitious COVID vaccination programs ever attempted in human mankind history. We are going to vaccinate crores and crores of people. Remember, vaccination is the only way out of this pandemic. To the elderly, to the healthcare workers, to the frontline workers, people with comorbidities and vulnerable population, please get vaccinated as early as possible. There are many out in the public who are very hesitant to take the vaccine. There is no need for that hesitancy. It is extremely safe, it is effective. Please take them as early as possible. Many are asking me, once we get vaccinated, will I not get COVID at all? See, that is not the answer. Don't worry about this vaccine, that vaccine. Whichever vaccine is available, please take the vaccine. And remember, all the vaccines have very good efficacy. And the most important thing is, almost all the vaccines prevent severe COVID disease. So once you get vaccinated, the chance of you getting admitted to a hospital is very less. So it might just pass off like a flu. So this reduces the number of hospitalizations. As a result, the healthcare services do not face the enormous stress which we faced in the first wave. So it's very important to get vaccinated as early as possible. There are many friends and colleagues in many different fields who are repeatedly asking me, the second wave has started, are we going to have a lockdown again? Now, this is very difficult to predict now. Remember, lockdown is a measure which is used to mitigate or reduce a dramatic spread of the pandemic. So suppose if the numbers are so high or like the first wave, then in all probability we might have a lockdown, but that is for the government and the expert committee to decide on that. But to the general public, to the citizens of India, you have an important role to play. Please stay safe, wear a mask. The most important tool in our fight against COVID is wearing a mask. Many of you are not wearing a mask. Please wear a mask. Universal masking is very crucial. Try to maintain distance, avoid unnecessary travel, unnecessary gatherings, crowded places. Please don't go to these places. If you're able to follow these steps diligently, and if you behave in a responsible manner, I'm sure you will be able to stand shoulder to shoulder with not only the doctors, the frontline workers and the government of India in a very effective manner to see to that 100% we will be able to overcome the second wave. So finally, I plead, I request you, follow the precautions, get vaccinated as early as possible. This will get us out of the pandemic as early as possible. Thank you.